How to change or increase the icon size on Samsung phone. So you just need to be on your home screen and press anywhere and hold it, and then you will find wallpaper, themes, widgets, and settings. We need to click on settings, and here you can increase or decrease the app size like this. And the most important thing is home screen grid and app screen grid. So this is like 4 by 6 will look like this, 5 by 6 will look like this. So you can also change that. If you like 4 by 6, you will have 1 2 3 4 lines. If you go with 5, then you will have like this. That's the home screen. Now the app screen grid, I'll click on that. You will see the same 4 and 5. 5 will look like this. So I'll keep it 5 and see how it has been changed. So this is how you can increase or decrease the app size or icon size on your Android phone, especially in Samsung. Please subscribe for more like this. Have a wonderful day.